Get a little comb with your clothes and
There is no electricity.
vloggy.
Oh, vloggy.
What are you doing?
I'm taking a video. A vlog for you.
Mama, I'm coming my little sis. Look.
What are you doing?
Combing my little sis.
Calming your little sis. And you, Senna, what is that, Senna?
Camera.
What is this number, Senna?
Camera.
What?
Camera.
Camera. Ah, that's your camera? A pretend camera. Right? Okay, good job, Senna. Are you doing some vlog also, Senna?
Yes. Mommy.
Alright.
My dad. That's wanted ahead.
Oh, take a video, Senna. Which game is that, Yumina? What kind of pretend is that? What kind of pretend is that?
A dog.
A dog.
He's my little sis.
Is that a shape of the dog? Let us show to everyone.
So cool, right?
Oh, that's a candle. That's a candle. Melted candle.
But it's melting with his mama.
Now, when you put the candle on fire or in somewhere hot, it's gonna melt.
It's baby. But this one is not going to melt.
Oh. Show me your baby, Zena.
Mommy?
It's a baby candle. Show
My
me.
dad, the one more thing. Mommy.
Oh, look at Zena's baby candle. Okay,
You
wow.
don't touch it. Ooh.
Oh, there is like.
It looks like a comb.
Oh, Zena, look at this flag here. Zena,
How
look.
to down?
Oh, interesting.
How to know?
Oh, your camera. Number 44. What's this number, Zena?
Grandma.
No, what's this number, Selena?
Grandma.
No, it's 44.
What?
44.
44?
Yeah, double 4. 4 and 4. Yep.
Mommy, that one that has carpet. And the baby, they can live there.
Where?
Mommy,
Yeah.
they can live in the numbers.
What do you mean they can live in the numbers? What do you mean by that?
Mama, when they cold.
Oh, you say cheese. And you have a camera also?
Cheese.
So I will say cheese. Oh, you make a selfie, Sena? Oh, you do a
Yes.
selfie. Oh, sit down over there. Let's
My
play
dad
this.
wanted his big car.
Who?
Mom.
Yes. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay.
Here, little babes.
The heart of the hero, Sina. What is that song, Sina? The heart of the hero is inside of. Ooh.
My dad's big.
The heart of the hero is inside of. Ooh, hooray. My goodness. Look at her. She just closed her ears and she's shouting. Ah, your sister.
That is a game. Look.
What's that? What are you trying to do?
Look.
Senna, there's a game master there. Okay, there is no game master.
You can go.
Sorry, come here. What do you want? What do you want?
Water.
Where are you?
It's right down.
Cannot see
Mom,
you.
I can see her.
We cannot see. Let's bring the light here. Senna. No.
They can be high house.
Senna, there is a game master. What do you want there? You want water?
Yeah.
Mommy's so mean, right?
Uh-huh.
I tried to scare her, right? Huh.
But the
What do you
house
want
is
from
not-
there?
Please.
What do you want from there?
I think he
Are you afraid from the game master?
Yes. But
Why?
I think he wants water.
I will call the game. Huh? I have idea. I'm going to tell you a story about the game
No, I want the fairy.
and the fairy.
And
Okay, so
die with the big
take your
candle.
seat. Take your seat. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. I'm going to tell you a very interesting story. Senna, grab your seat over there. Grab your seat. Senna, grab your seat, Senna.
I just got it a mess.
Okay, just one moment.
It's a mess, Mom.
Yeah, one
Why
moment,
don't put the
Senna.
vlog right there?
Selena. Where are you going to sit down, Senna? Sit down here. I'm going to tell you a story.
About the fairy.
Yeah. About.
I want the fairy die with that candle. I'm fairy die with candles.
Just one moment. Just one moment, kids. One moment. One moment. Once upon a time. Once upon a time. There are two sisters. They are living in the middle of the forest.
No,
Into the woods.
how about the house?
You come closer, Yemina. You come closer. Because this story is very similar.
But me, I'm
Yours,
close by
sorry.
Santa.
Now you have to come because you should be near to the light. Because the game master are afraid of light. Alright? Okay, Senna?
Yes?
Alright. Once upon a time, there are two sisters. They are living in the forest. The forest is big,
Huh?
and they are living in the middle of the forest.
Ah, a candle.
Oh, this is a sign that the game master is watching you.
No, Mommy.
I'm just kidding. It's just a story.
Mommy, please, I want my candle back.
One moment, I will find it.
It's right
Where? Okay,
here.
just hold this one.
Yeah.
I'll look for it. Okay, I will get it later.
It's right here.
Let me finish the story. Okay, Senna, do you want to have something to embrace?
Candle.
Okay.
Baby.
Cuddle this one. Cuddle this one. Because this story is scary, Senna. When you are afraid, you embrace your bear and your Minnie Mouse, okay? One day, the two kids named Selena and Yemina, they are playing outside their home. They are playing and they're laughing. Ha 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 ha. They are playing some balls. Okay? They kick the balls and they throw the balls.
Mommy, I'm sleepy. I want to sleep into the room now.
Now,
Uh-huh.
let me finish my story because your viewers, they want to know the story also. And then
Mommy, I'm get sleeping.
Yemina, because she's bigger, she throw the ball far. And Selena, she tried to catch it. So she run. And then she could not find the ball anymore. And so Yemina, she came to help her. And they tried to look for the ball. What's the color of the ball?
Pink?
And you, Sina?
No.
Brown?
Yes?
Okay, fine. So the pink and the brown ball, it was lost, totally lost. And you know what? The two sisters, they are lost also into the forest, right?
Yeah.
And it's getting dark. It's getting dark and they're saying, oh no, where's our house? How I can go back down to our
Mommy,
house?
Baba, he's coming. Baba, he's going to save him.
Papa's coming?
Yeah.
But let me finish the story.
A house.
And then you know what happened worse? The rain starts to pour.
Mommy, you're saying like this because Mom, we have to find house.
Really? You cannot find the house, Anna.
Mommy,
Yeah.
it's my house.
No, they could not find the house anymore. And then there's a rain. And you know what? They can hear some howling voices. How is the howling voices, Simina? How is the howling voices, Anna?
Meow.
Meow! It's a wolf and a big cat. Yeah! And the two sisters, they were so afraid.
Dad.
They said, what's going on? Why there are some like voices like this? And so they hide into the big tree. You know? And they wait for the rain to stop. And when the rain stops, the howling voice starts to get bigger and bigger. It's like saying, "Ow!" And then it's getting bigger. "Ow!" That means whatever it is, it's getting closer. Yeah. So what did the sisters do? What did the sisters do? They start to cry. They said, what's going on? What's going on here? Yeah.
He's coming.
And so, yeah, they start to cry. They call out for
Bobby.
Senna, who did you call?
Meow.
Meow. What the heck?
Bobby. Meow.
Oh no, sorry vlog.
He's Tennyson.
Yeah, he said, how did you call Bobby? Bobby, Bobby.
Mommy, I'm waiting for him.
You waited for Bobby.
And
so-
555.
And then Bobby, when he came, how is he came? How did he come?
With the unicorn.
With a unicorn?
And he bring his sword like, "Ka-ding!
Oh no!
Ka-ding!
That's a wonderful story.
Ka-ding!"
And then what he did?
I don't know.
What he did? Bobby, he got his
Mommy.
sword, and the sword was shining.
Mommy,
Yeah?
when Yamina, he got her like flying, like they got us too, like, yeah.
Yeah, and Bobby, he grabbed the sisters in his arm. And then he kissed them.
No, he
Mwah,
just get it with his sword. Like a
Yes.
fish pole.
And then what he did? He killed the big, bad
Whoa.
wolf. My goodness. And he dropped the kids to their home again.
And he say, and Mommy catch her two of them.
Oh. And then he kissed
And he have a candle.
everyone.
And he did shape like a dog. And he have a bear. And
Excuse
Minnie
me.
Mouse. And he have Wendy.
Hooray! And they're back in the home and they start to be happy again. And they live
Happily ever after.
the end. You love the story, Sana?
Yes?
You love the story, Amina?
Yeah.
Say goodbye now to the vlog and say good night.
Wait, I want to give him a joke.
You want to leave a joke to the vlog. What is the joke?
A vlog.
Yeah.
How does the bed go on the candle?
Hi.
Then,
Okay, that's a quite nice joke. Okay, say good night, everyone.
good night.